Hey guys, what's going on? So we have behind me a 2020 Ford EcoSport, and I was looking all around to try to figure out how to open the rear tailgate to this vehicle. So I finally found it after a couple of minutes of looking, and I'll show you where it's at in case you're walking around and like, trying to figure it out. So first I opened up the door and I looked like all around in here and I didn't see anything. And then I looked under here and there's a hood latch, but there's no like latch to pop the tailgate open. There's nothing on the master switch cluster either. So what you have to do to open this thing up is if you come around the back right here, under the tail light, right where these two arrows are on the passenger side, you stick your hand up and there your finger, there's a button and it'll pop it open and it'll kind of swing out. And then you can get at your donuts. So that's how you open it up. Just kind of a quick one for you guys. If you have any comments or have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.